NOBATEK INEF4 has not only decided to join the Metabuilding project, but was crucial at its inception and has decided to coordinate the project. The reason for doing this is because the Metabuilding project is exactly in the line of the mission of NOBATEK INEF4, which is the innovation support to SMEs. The Metabuilding project will help to increase the competitiveness of SMEs through cross-sectoral and cross-border collaboration, and it will help energy transition in the construction sector through the integration of technologies coming from other sectors like ICT, recycling, nature-based solutions and additive manufacturing. The Metabuilding project will help NOBATEK INEF4 to better identify the needs of SMEs concerning innovation. It will also help them to get access to SMEs that are interested in engaging in collaborative innovation projects. Furthermore, it will enable NOBATEK INEF4 to help SMEs to overcome barriers linked to innovation, be they technical, legal or business barriers that are coming up to the SMEs. The Metabuilding project will help to give support structures to the SMEs to overcome these barriers. The Metabuilding project will help to increase competitiveness and internationalization of SMEs. Important issue to be able to get out of the COVID crisis. It will as well help to reform the construction sector and to modernize it. Furthermore, it will help to structure the European construction sector at different levels, be it European, national and regional, to have these different levels better communicate. And finally, the Metabuilding project will help to develop new business models and tools and to identify new markets for the construction sector SMEs.